Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to save or export a video from Capcut to your gallery. Let's begin. Now the first thing is you want to make sure that you open the app from your mobile device or the platform that you are using. And here, if you haven't already, just click the plus new project to create your work from scratch, or just click the existing project that you have already. Again, finish editing your video. I'm going to add one photo here. I'm going to click the overlay, add overlay, and add this simple picture. So I'm going to move this here, probably here, where I can create an overlay for both the... Let's see what we got from here. So I'm going to extend the length of this video right here. So they match. So just around here. So once you have completed your editing, including adding clips, effects, music, transitions, make sure you're satisfied with the final result. And of course, on the top corner, you have the export. And beside that, on the left side is going to be the file size or the aspect ratio. Right now, it's in 720p. If you click on it, you have an option to increase the resolution to the fullest 4K frame rate if you want to export that. But the thing is, if you wanted to click the optical flow, it requires a pro subscription. You can also increase the code rate Mbps, and if you wanted to add a smart HDR, convert your clip to an HDR video, you might want to do that. But the thing is, as you can see, there is an estimated file size and it keeps increasing, right? So we don't want to do that. If you want it, just click on it. But if you don't, just hover down to the 720, which is kind of the default, which is not bad really, or even 1080. Or if you want to just decrease some of the options here. And once you're happy, click the export button. You would be forwarded here. Do not close your screen. Once it's successful, all you have to do is click the sections here we're in. Since you have already saved and downloaded the file, you can also have the option to share to TikTok. We have a separate video on how to connect your Capcut account to TikTok. You might want to check that. Or if you want to boost your video on TikTok or other platforms here, you can choose that. So you have multiple options to export and save and also share with different social media platforms, and click on done. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.